Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, then be sure and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, hit that like button. It helps me get these videos out to more people, and that's what this is all about, is teaching people to become financially free by using this money printing machine that we know of as the stock market. So we had a ton of stuff going on today. Verb absolutely exploding. If you've been holding Verb for a while, Verb made you a lot of money today, I'm sure. I know it did for me. We're going to talk about the market. We got some interesting things going on, so stick around till the end. Let's get right into the market. Now we got the S&P ended up closing 1.20% up for the day. Dow Jones up 0.76 for the day, and the Nasdaq up 2.01% for the day. So the market held up very well today. Crypto kind of flat for the day, not a whole lot of movement out of it, but the important thing is we got that close on the SPY above 400. Now, we got the close last week below 390, and I said that was setting us up a trend to run down to that 380. This is the thing about charts. You can't trust the charts to tell you the whole truth because you're only looking at lagging indicators. But today, we got that close above 400, which put us above our Fibonacci level, which actually sets us up for a good case to see the S&P running up to 4,100 or 410 on the SPY. So a lot of interesting things going on, because I would say that if the market does continue to run up and we get that run up and that test of around 4,100 on the S&P, then I could also make the case that Bitcoin, we could see a retest of around that $25,000 mark on Bitcoin. Crypto's been holding a lot of strength. It's been a pretty interesting January so far. So let's talk about our moves for the day and how we ended up making money. Now, of course, we had some Verb. We've been holding Verb for a little while. We bought it back when it was around 29 cents. We bought it when it dipped under 18 cents. We actually had a 24-cent overall average, like 23.93 was our exact average, but right at 24 cents. So we had a nice overall, and we just let it sit there. We hadn't done anything with it. We were just waiting to see if it come back to life, and today it absolutely exploded. At one point, we was up like 140% that I seen it. I sold some this morning. I said on my morning video, I took half my position out at 34 cents in case it did crash back down. Pretty much paid for the whole thing right there. And then it opened and just absolutely exploded, ran up to almost 58 cents and started coming back down. I got out of the other half of that position at 54 cents, which gave us a 44-cent overall average on our gains, which represented an 83.3% gain on that trade. So very happy with that. Just absolutely killed it in Verb. But we did have to hold on to that for a little while. Sometimes that's what you have to do. That's why I tend not to buy companies that I don't believe has the potential to explode in the future. Now, I also called out the QQQs today. I said depending on how the market rolled, I would either get into the SQQQ or the TQQQ. Market started running up today. I bought the TQQQ just a little after open. Got that at $20.60. Ran it up to $21.60. Made 4.8% on that trade, so I was really happy with that. Coinbase. I called out Coinbase today. I said that we could be looking, if crypto didn't pick up today, that I would be looking at taking a short position in that. Sure enough, crypto didn't really go down. It didn't really move up. So I did decide to go ahead and take a position in it, but I did so by buying a put option. I bought it out for like 30 days out, and I bought the $54 strike price. So I'll be real interested to see over the next day or two if we get a little dip in Coinbase. I think that'll make good money. Right now, just holding on to it. It's a little bit in the red at the moment, but I'm not too concerned about it. I didn't go in overly heavy, but I did want to pick up that position because I do see I wasn't really expecting the S&P to go ahead and run up and close above the 400 when I bought that. In hindsight, I might would have held off. However, I still think that I bought it far enough out that there's a really good chance to see Coinbase fall enough for that option to make me some money. So that's the moves that I made today. I hope you was out there trading. I hope you made a ton of money. Leave it in the comments what your best mover of the day was. And if you've been holding Verb for a while, did you get out of your position and get out of that and cash up and take profits while you had the chance? Or did you hold on just hoping that it squares higher? I hope you made some profits. Remember, you'll never go poor taking profits. So always take profits when you have the opportunity. That's what I got for you. I'm going to cut this video off. Be sure and join me in the morning. We'll go over the market. We'll get a game plan together. We'll make some more money then. Till then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.